gonna do a partly rain review. Well, it's partly cloudy right here, and it's raining on the other side. It's weird. It's a partly rain. Yeah, that's what they really call it, a partly rain. But it's pretty weird how I could do both at the same time. It's partly cloudy and rainy at the same time. That's the weirdest thing that's possible. And there's more of the rain way in the back. And it's wind and rain. Yeah, but it's weird. But cool. Maybe it could be a rainbow once the clouds move up. Now you can see the tops of the rain clouds too. And across the while it's raining. Pretty cool. It's weird but cool. Nature could be weird in different ways, but it's alright. Very cool. Whoa. Look at that. Whoa. That is so cool. Never seen it did this before. Usually it will be either raining or partly cloudy. But this one takes the cake. Literally takes the cake. And the winds are coming from the west. Literally. And it has a little mist in there too. It's a mist, rain, and partly cloudy. You can see the tops of these rain clouds, like this one right way back here. As you can see the tops of certain clouds. It's very weird how it's raining at the same time. It's very cool. Still pretty cool. Very cool. Look at that noise. But it's weird how it can do it at the same time. Like, comment, subscribe, do daily and weekly videos.